help me show what we got? Alright, so we're making a wreath for my daughter. Halloween wreath. So we have a wreath form, of course. Approved? Approved? Okay, great. Alright, and we'll just run through this really quick. She sent me a picture of a Walmart wreath that she saw and asked me basically if I could kind of replicate it. And I think we could get pretty close. I wouldn't want to replicate it exactly anyway, but I'm using that as an inspiration. So I'll insert a picture of that here. Alright, so what I have to work with are some black mesh, some orange, I do have some, oh, and I had to go to the store to get some more because she definitely wanted burlap in it. So we have those. Then for ribbon, oh, stretchy cat, huh? Stretchy cat. We have some Halloween ribbon. We have some witch trick-or-treat one. And, oh, this one she liked. This is a haunted house velveteen kind of tulle ribbon. And then for some spots, we might put a little bit of this spiderweb ribbon she liked as well. So it'll be very custom for her. And then we do have some really neat kind of accessories to go with that. Some sparkly pumpkins, right? I got this from the dollar store, and it kind of goes like that. She wasn't sold on it until she saw that, and she liked it, so we'll put that on there. We have this witch that we're gonna, it's kind of a witch ghost, but I'm gonna take apart. I want the legs, I want the hat. And then I got these little tea lights in black. So that's everything. Okay? Tea lights in black? Dee doesn't care. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. And we're gonna use the bubble method with the ribbon. We'll see how it turns out. I'm gonna have to ask you to move off the surface there, buddy. What do you think about that? Okay. We'll see. We're gonna use a pipe cleaner, and we're gonna probably use some wire and maybe some hot glue. Are you gonna let me go? Are you gonna let me do the project? No? Can I do the project? Let me do the project, Dee? Oh, yawning. Yawning. Yawning little cat. Oh boy. Uh-oh. 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 Are you gonna let me do the project? Mr. Dean? Mr. Dean? You let me do the project? Okay. It's Halloween. It's your month. It's your month there, buddy.